Hello, beautiful people of the fragrance community. Mike here with iSMELL. Hope this video is finding you well. For those of y'all who are not already aware, iSMELL is in fact a channel dedicated to all things fragrance related, as well as connecting with like-minded individuals within this community. If that is something that you think you would be interested in, I am going to encourage you to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Not only does it strengthen the YouTube algorithm, it also ensures that you're able to stay tuned into future content that I upload. With that out of the way, let's talk about today's video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing a 2021 release from the house of Yves Saint Laurent. YSL just launched its most recent flanker, BlueElectrique. I've been getting to know this fragrance for the past couple days, and today I'm ready to discuss and tell you guys what my initial thoughts and impressions are of this most recent flanker. We have quite a bit of information to get through in this review, you guys. I'll see y'all on the other side of the intro. So I do need to preface by stating that this is in fact the second time that I have recorded this video. Initially, after I brought my fragrance home from Macy's, I recorded an unboxing and initial impressions video. However, I made an executive decision to go ahead and scrap that. That way I could get better acclimated with the fragrance before uploading it to the channel so I could properly convey what it was that I smell on this fragrance. However, I do have a package in general that I am going to unbox right now. I know some of y'all do enjoy unboxing, and I do believe this is a package related to the channel. It's not a fragrance. However, I'm going to unbox this right now. Let's see what this is. I bought some lights. Hopefully I can set that up in the background and I can kind of create a vibe, kind of create an ambiance, kind of mix things up on this channel. That way it doesn't get dull. Fragrances are cool, but I kind of want to create a whole vibe in general. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I bought some lights, so there you go. That's that. But now about this fragrance. Okay, so the perfumer for BlueElectrique is going to be Master Perfumer Dominique Ropion. He is also the perfumer behind the original YSL La Nuit, as well as for the 09 flanker La Nuit. That's important to note because a lot of people are comparing BlueElectrique with the 09 flanker La Nuit, and rightly so. Just be advised that I did do an in-depth and full review for the 09 flanker. If that's something that you think you'd be interested in, I will leave a marker right here as well as in the video's description below. Before we talk about what I smell, let's talk about the presentation, as there are a few interesting facets that I came to learn. There is a batch code at the bottom of this box, and as it relates to the box in and of itself, I don't know if that conveys, but it does say EDT Intense. I have not came across many fragrances that convey it in this way. Normally it's EDT, EDP, or Parfum. This is one of the first times that I've seen a fragrance say EDT Intense. So let me know in the comments if that's even a thing or if that's just a marketing scheme. As it relates to the bottle in and of itself, you will get that hexagonal cap that all the La Nuit flankers are synonymous with. There is literally no difference in this cap versus any of the other La Nuit caps, and they are bulky caps. It does look kind of silly as the cap is bigger than the bottle. Also, as it relates to the bottle, it is really cool because it looks, I thought at first this was just blue glass, but no, this is actually blue juice, you guys. This is actually blue juice. It goes from a black to a clear gradient, but the juice is actually blue. That's actually pretty cool, you guys. And you can see the batch code is at the bottom right here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, you guys, so let's talk about the notable notes on BlueElectrique. Be advised that BlueElectrique is getting compared to the 09 flanker, and for good reason. That is because it shares many of the same similar notes as the 09 flanker. I will leave a picture so that you can see a side-to-side comparison of both the 09 flanker as well as the 2021 release. The notes that they share include cardamom, lavender, bergamot, cedar, and vetiver. Where they diverge, however, is that the 09 flanker contained caraway and BlueElectrique does not. And then BlueElectrique contains both ginger as well as geranium, and the 09 flanker does not, you guys. The overall demeanor of BlueElectrique is going to be very reminiscent to this fragrance right here. Just be advised, it is called BlueElectrique, but it is not a blue fragrance in the sense that you are not going to be getting an aquatic fragrance. Also be aware that BlueElectrique does not smell like your standard shower gel Bleu de Chanel type fragrance. This is not similar to Bleu de Chanel. It's not similar to YEDP. This is not a blue fragrance. I can concede, however, that it is a blue scent in the sense that this is a very mass appealing scent profile. YSL La Nuit in and of itself is one of the most popular scent profiles for a designer fragrance ever created. So in that sense, yes, it is a blue fragrance because it is mass appealing. All right, you guys, so let's talk about what I smell on BlueElectrique. I will give y'all a couple sprays. Just be aware that the atomizer in BlueElectrique distributes very wide as opposed to distributing very far. So this is a fragrance you want to hold closer to the skin before spraying. It's very reminiscent to the 09 flanker. They smell almost identical at first. However, there are subtle differences. If I was to describe this fragrance, the word that comes to mind is slightly. It is slightly more sweet. It is slightly more dense, it is slightly more spicy, and it's going to project slightly more than the original 09 flanker. It is also slightly less heavy in the lavender. And as well as the caraway provided a complexity to the 09 flanker that this one does not have. This one will be more in your face. I do feel like YSL listened to the consumer and provided a fragrance scent profile that was going to be more wearable and more rugged. They brought it back to the date night. They listened to the consumer and provided a facelift to one of the most popular designer fragrance scent profiles of all time, you guys. Dollar for dollar, I would state that a 3.3 ounce of this one is going to stretch further than a 3.3 ounce of this one, assuming they are going to be relatively the same price point. All in all, I feel like this is an amazing flanker, and it has reinvigorated the La Nuit line in and of itself. All signs point to people loving this fragrance and being excited to wear La Nuit de l'Homme once again. I am in fact happy I got it. I was able to get it during a flash sale at Macy's, so I acquired this fragrance for $50. For $50, that is going to be an absolute steal, you guys. All right, you guys, so that's BlueElectrique in a nutshell. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoy fragrance-related content, I am going to ask you once again to subscribe to my channel. We have a lot of amazing content coming down the pipe, including a giveaway once I reach 200 subscribers. We're almost there, you guys. Again, I really do appreciate the love and support. I do not take your time for granted. Until next time, you guys, y'all take care. Stay safe. Bye.